I got like 89 heart rate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. That's good. Oh, I'm gonna set my watch too.
Watch.
Let's do a walk. Alright. Go.
So, how old's the dog?
He's 8.
He's 8?
He's 8 on March 9th.
Oh.
Getting older.
Yeah. My friend Jay's dog, Ruby, she's like 5 years old maybe.
Oh yeah.
And she's too young to pass away. She did.
Oh.
I'm assuming 5. I have to ask Jay again. I asked Jay, are you going to get a new dog eventually? I'm not sure if he wants to or not, but... I can't imagine somebody getting electrocuted by this thunderstorm. This go powered out. Terrible. Oh, it's a hiking site. Check out the mountains.
Morning. Show you my other dogs that years ago. Next time. It's out of the 2 big dogs we had, Buffy and Shelby.
been torn apart since '74. 'Cause I'd never met nobody like her before. I wish she drove right past the station so I wouldn't be here thinking, what if we had supper all alone? 'Cause if I had one last meal, a table for two, that would be ideal. 'Cause if I had one last meal, it'd be you. Dinner or brunch, breakfast or lunch, a midnight snack gonna get me warm. 'Cause if I had one last meal, baby, it'd be you. When Grandpa grabbed the hammer, I knew my life be left in shambles. I really need to learn how to speak my mind. When I chased her down that dirt road, she was crying as her hair flowed. Left me spinning around at sundown on my own.
I should have worked this. I don't think this is ready.
If I had one last meal, I'd pinch my skin just to know it's real. 'Cause if I had one last meal, it'd be you. Dinner or brunch, breakfast or lunch, a midnight snack gonna get me warm. 'Cause if I had one last meal, baby, it'd be you. One last meal, I'd pinch my skin just to know it's real. 'Cause if I had one last meal, it'd be you. 'Cause if I had one last meal, a table for two, that would be ideal. 'Cause if I had one last meal, baby, it'd be you.
There are people.
Yeah, I'm in love with the pumpkin. 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 She my dream, she my dream. Thank the Lord that she 18. She my dream, she my dream. Thank the Lord that she 18. She my dream, she my dream. Thank the Lord that she 18. I'm in love with the pumpkin. Yeah, I'm in love with the pumpkin. You don't know me, but I'm watching. I see you move. Yeah, floor up the story. Wanna take her out, buy some stuff. Thank the Lord that she is the lady. Ooh, then you got nothing on me. Ooh, yeah, I wanna take her out on a date. Buy that little bit of fat, can't stay. Buy that little bit of fat, cocaine. Ooh, buy that little bit of fat, parachute. God's gonna go me bad and all shit. Ooh, flip that little bitch to a trap queen. Get my plug with her, pick up pounds of drugs with her. Buy some guns with her, think I fell in love with her. Get my plug with her, pick up pounds of drugs with her. Buy some guns with her, think I fell in love with her. I'm in love with the pumpkin. I'm in love with the
I think it's frozen.
I'm in love with the pumpkin. I'm in love with the pumpkin.
Chuck, it's Marvin. Cousin, Marvin Berry. You know, you be saying white dudes be stealing black people music? Well, listen to this.
I'm in love with the pumpkin. 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 She my dream, thank the Lord that she ain't dead. She my dream, thank the Lord that she ain't dead. She my dream, love with her.
I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own. I've been sitting home alone, dreaming up a way I can do it on my own. You ain't gotta call my phone. I've been really busy trying to do it on my own. I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own.
Woke up this morning and I jumped to my feet. I play my favorite song on my phone and I jam to the beat. I put my freshest fire outfit on off-white as supreme. How I look like I should go run for the presidency. I heard this movie man something about all my friends and me. He's saying that my generation ain't like X, Y, and Z. Well, Mississippi man, I appreciate concern for my health, but for me and my friends to fall, we'd have to fight her ourselves. Switch lanes with a flow like Tiptronic, so melodic, no hypnotics needed. Just honest, I'm exotic, get chicks got them hooked on me like hooks on phonics, and I'm like going blow it all. Steam, baby, protect the money. Where you going? What you say that you believe? How you sweating? How's it growing? When'd you last water the seed? When I was young, it was the apple cold like capital C. Please excuse me, where are my manners? Hi, my name's Maddie B.
I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own. I've been sitting home alone, dreaming up a way I can do it on my own. You ain't gotta call my phone. I've been really busy trying to do it on my own. I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own.
When I was young, I was a little naive. I used to say that you can do anything if you believe. I used to picture money growing on the branches of trees. Then I grew up and realized that even my lunch is free. You got a vision, man, I hope you working past 2 or 3. You got a dream, I hope you waking up and grinding no sleep. You better chase it like a dog chase SUVs on the street. You better chase it like a tag when that kid say you want free. So rate me, so far I'm coming yet. I'm fresher than ever. Ain't it funny how people doubt you, but when you say whatever, you do you, I do me. They run back to you whenever the weather show without it snow. You know those birds of a feather. The greatest way to prove somebody wrong, you talking that mess. It's just to focus on yourself and go create your success. I'm talking hits, man, hits, man. You need a wristband, selling out stadiums and every radio, playing them and saying that.
I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own. I've been sitting home alone, dreaming up a way I can do it on my own. You ain't gotta call my phone. I've been really busy trying to do it on my own. I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own. I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own. I've been sitting home alone, dreaming up a way I can do it on my own. You ain't gotta call my phone. I've been really busy trying to do it on my own. I don't need a hand to hold. Baby, don't worry, I can do it on my own.
I'll meet you under blue skies, blue skies. We going up, it's going down. It's going down under blue skies. Sunny blazing, feels amazing. Memories is what we making. Hearts are racing, girls we chasing. So it's summer raising. Music bumping, fists are pumping, laughing, and we keep it coming. But just like it's now or never, and the moment's all or nothing. You ain't gotta have a lot of money in your pocket. You can show up in whatever, like whatever. I'm a rocket. You don't need no invitation. We ain't got no special tickets, cause we're all just normal people, and we hope that you can get it under blue skies, blue skies. Share the sunshine, sunshine. We going up, it's going down. Turn it up, it's going down. I'll meet you in the blue skies, blue skies. Share the sunshine, sunshine. We going up, it's going down. Turn it up, it's going down under blue skies. I gotta be cool for the summertime. Me and my bad fellas to the lake house with the shades out, trying to lay out, with the shades out. Just need some gold, some burgers and coke, sold in competition to my friend. Who can be ladies the most? world, cause we'll just keep laughing and hollering and forget about the time until my parents start calling. Cause some of days like this, we're all our problems to know. And we don't worry about tomorrow, let it take care of itself. We want the blue skies, share the sunshine, sunshine. We going up, going down, going down, down. We want the blue skies, share the sunshine, sunshine. We going up, going down, down under blue sky. Crazy head, never cared what the mother people say. I'm just trying to have a little fun each and every day. I'm just trying to say what's been on my mind. I'm just trying to live every day like it's summertime. Crazy head, never cared what the mother people do. I'm just hoping maybe I can spend some time with you. I think maybe we should just live a life. If you want to know where I'll be, then I'll meet you on the blue sky, share the sunshine, sunshine. Going up, it's going down, turn it up, it's going down, I'll meet you on the blue sky, share the sunshine, sunshine. Going up, it's going down, turn it up, it's going down on the blue sky, down on the blue sky, down on the blue sky, down on the blue sky. Down, we going up, it's going down, it's going down under blue skies. I got a girl in town with body running through my head, looking hard to talk. Beautiful and she caught my eye, voice break their neck, she walks all God. I wanna see if we can took it a while because I like the style. I wanna make it smile, but I can't figure out the words to say, so I hesitate every day. She's like everything that I ever wanted, such a sight to see. I never wanna let it get away, so I gotta stop playing and cut to the chase. Live a little bit closer like I was supposed to. Think that I froze in the moment? No, sir. Showing you all I do. Showing you all you know that I do. Showing you all you need me to, girl. I got a crush on you. But we don't sweat it, she never let me down. She's on my side, we living in a whirlwind of a world. But I got my girl, and that's enough. She's down to ride, we like you young J.G. and P. And B and she, wherever I go, she with me. We got a good thing going, too much of a feeling for me. You know, trust is key, it's just meant to be shot. She's like everything.
So where'd you get the dog from?
I never wanna let it get away, so I gotta stop playing and cut to the chase. A little bit closer like I was supposed to. Think that I froze in the moment? No, sir.
We always like dogs, like really growing up. We like dogs too, and we're all growing up like in the past. Oh yeah.
You've been torn and I've been broken. We've all been lost in emotion. Felt like love was hopeless, but I want you. Been through hell, but you're my heaven. 1-on-1, we can make 11. And maybe this time it'll be different. Trust me. What is love? Who really knows? Let's take one. go again. Here we go again, here we go again. Let's forget the past and try it. Here we go again, here we go again, yeah. 4-7 stand up, babe. True blessings are never late. Look at the reflection staring in the lake. You're so beautiful. Listen to the negative thoughts in your head. We'll hold each other and remember what we said. We'll make mistakes, but that's okay. Cause nobody's made perfect anyway. What is love? Who really knows? Let's take one more chance. Here we go again, here we go again. Here we go again, here we go again. Let's forget the past and try it. Here we go again, here we go again, yeah. Don't be discouraged, don't give up. Just gotta know that you're enough. Play your cards and call their bluff. Don't walk down with them too much. Let's forget the past and just let it go. Come on. Here we go again, here we go again. Here we go again, here we go again. Yeah. Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. She's my cousin's friend, so. This was like a dream, but I never wake up. This was like a movie, but the scene never cuts. I've been living in a memory. I've been hoping you'll get back to me. What we had, we can only get once. If you could go back, would you go back to us? Young and troubled and it's so hard to trust, but I can't adjust, so let's just go back, yeah. Let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Blame it on my flaws and we move from the past. Cause I don't wanna let go, I'm not ready yet, so let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Blame it on my flaws and we move from the past. I don't wanna let go, I'm not ready yet, so let's go back, let's go back, we'll be at. My conscience, did you so wrong, you said I took it for granted, and that's why you walked away. And then I lost you, and now you won't talk to me, but I'm still calling. What are my options? Tell me my options, baby, I'm sorry, let me be honest. Give you my promise that I'm gonna solve it, no, I ain't flawless. Time that you wanted, you never got it when you was all in. Time that you wanted, now that I got it, why are we stalling? What we had, we can only get once, and you should go back, won't you go back to us? I know I'm young and troubled and it's so hard to trust, but I can't adjust, so let's just go back, yeah. Let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Blame it on my flaws and we move from the past. Cause I don't wanna let go, I'm not ready yet, so let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Blame it on my
I guess it's kind of written another. Wow.
let's go back, let's go back, oh yeah. When I think about you and me, I think about what we could be. Yeah. Ain't nobody ever do it like you, yeah. One in a million, you're a dream come true, and I don't know what all this means, but I know you're all I need. I don't think I'ma get no sleep. Ooh, I don't need no sleep. Busy keeping me up all night and running through my mind. I play it back each time, like oh, I'm not getting no sleep. That's fine, cause when I close my eyes, yeah, you're right by my side. I'm not getting no sleep. No, not getting no sleep. No, I'm not getting no sleep. Not getting no sleep now. I'm not getting no sleep. Yo, how do you do what you do? You got me all wound up just thinking about you. Waiting for them gray dots when I'm texting with you. I never felt like this, nobody is true. And I don't know what all this means, but I know you're all I need. I don't think I'm getting no sleep. Ooh, I don't need no sleep. You're keeping me up all night and running through my mind. I play it back each time like, oh, I'm not getting no sleep. That's fine, cause when I close my eyes, yeah, you're right by my side. I'm not getting no sleep. No, not getting no sleep now. No, not getting no sleep. No, not getting no sleep now. I'm not getting no sleep. More hours need more time with you. More nights with you, no goodbyes with you. I don't care if I'm losing some sleep. When we talk, we get deep. Wouldn't trade it for nothing. More hours need more time with you. More nights with you, no goodbyes with you. I don't care if I'm losing some sleep. When we talk, we get deep. Yo, keeping me up all night and running through my mind. I play it back each time like, oh, I'm not getting no sleep. That's fine, cause when I close my eyes, yeah, you're right by my side. I'm not getting no sleep. No, not getting no sleep now. No, I'm not getting no sleep. No, not getting no sleep now. I'm not getting no sleep.
There's more squirrels down there. And never.
Oh, the base things at least.
Yeah. Maybe we could do this next time, see if this goes too. What's your dog's name?
Oliver.
Oliver?